Any list page within Business Central can be surfaced in Excel through the Excel add-in for Business Central. This enables users to insert, modify, and delete data within Excel and publish it back to Business Central. Here is a view of a customer list page in Business Central, which I can then edit in Excel. Once in Excel, we can change the data and publish it back to Business Central, allowing users to churn large sets of data in Excel to interact with Business Central through the add-in. Here is a view of the customer list inside Excel. I can then make changes to the customer data and publish it back.